So today's first class is on roles-based training. The first role what we pick today is MDM, Master Data Management role. Okay. So as a master data manager or a consultant or master data steward, sometimes people call it master data steward, or a master data consultant or a master data architect. So what they do is basically they are responsible for managing the master data. Okay. So the role is master data. Role is master okay, and the responsibilities are data mapping. Okay.
Yes.
Data validation. Data setup. Data cleansing. Data load. Data migration. Data conversion. Okay, these are all roles. So data mapping is you have old data, old systems, not SAP, and how that old data, in the old data, you are not going to say material master. The old data, the old system that you are using, not SAP, in that they say item master. But item master should be mapped with material master in SAP, right?
Yes.
And in the old system, they don't say plant. They say manufacturing location.
Yes.
So the manufacturing location should be mapped with the plant, correct?
Yes.
Similarly, I just gave an example. I just made up a story. But sometimes they may not be saying item, they may be saying product. But in SAP, we don't say product, we say material. Right?
Material.
So, and it may be having a different data type. In the old system, the data type may be numeric, right? And in the old system, data length may be more than 23 length. But in SAP, you cannot have more than 18. So when you are doing the mapping process, that is something which you are going to keep in mind as a MDM specialist. And you are also going to resolve any issue that is happening in the mapping process. Okay?
Yes.
Then validation, meaning you have something but is it the right value? So that is called validation. You have some information, but is that information valid information? Meaning, if the plant number is 3000, if you have something different, CH24, that's not correct. That is called validation. And data setup. You're not going to create millions of products with your hand using transaction MM01, but you need to set up for a proof of concept a set of data, maybe for your testing iterations, or maybe for a demo you need to give a demo. Then you are going to set up some clean data. Okay?
Yeah.
Data cleansing. So you have old data when you are trying to use SAP, which is a new system. That's a good time for you to delete obsolete materials, outdated stuff, clean it thoroughly, no redundancy, none of the stuff which you don't use is not going to occupy space in the new system. So that's kind of cleaning process. Loading. So if you have 2 million materials, how do you load it? Do you use a BDC program to load it, or do you suggest LSMW, Legacy System Migration Workbench, or are you going to suggest that they use CATT, Computer Aided Testing Tools? So one of these 3-4 techniques what you have in SAP, we will be using them. Okay?
Yes.
Then that is called data loading. Then what is migration? You are living in old version 4.7, but right now the new version is ECC 6.0. You would like to migrate from old data into new data. Not much difference. The material master still is material master in ECC 6.0. They didn't change the name, but you need to migrate from a lower version to upper version, because SAP is going to say, I'm not going to support this older version beyond this point. So that is called a migration. Okay? Conversion. Converting the old data, legacy data, into SAP data. Before conversion, you need to map it first, right? Map it, then convert it. So all of these words you will be hearing a lot when you perform this role called MDM, Master Data Management role. Okay? So we would like to start up with a sub-topic. Like I said, you have master data everywhere in SAP. So we would like to start with the master data in PPPI and PP. And the reason why I added in material master, because you need to, in order to create a BOM, bill of material, you got to have material master. Okay?
Yes.
So let's get started with that. Then what I'm going to do is, I'm going to give you the mouse control and you do it. I talk. Okay? So mouse control, Jeff. And we have mouse control on my machine. You move it. Move your mouse.
Okay.
Wonderful. So let us get started with the production process. Because in the production process, you have master data. Expand the master data. Expand production process. Expand master data. Material master. Expand material master. again material, expand, create special. Let us create first a raw material, double click, and industry sector is a chemical industry, not mechanical, chemical, because
Okay.
chemical, second one.
Chemical industry, there it is.
And the name of the chemical is zinc.
I spell J.
No, Z, I,
Okay, Z.
I, N, K.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the raw material to make zinc oxide. So then the finished product is ZnO2. Okay, to make that.
So, should I just leave it as zinc or
yeah,
zinc
no,
oxide?
this is the raw material, right?
Okay.
And you mix it with the oxide, then it becomes finished product, zinc oxide. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the raw material. Click on select views.
Select views.
Okay, you already have a special material already assigned to material. Okay, so we'll there is, unfortunately there is a material called zinc, so maybe you will put it Zn. Okay. Okay, could you please click on select views again, please? Yeah, you see, so there is already a material somebody created with zinc, Zink. Okay.
Okay.
So we will use Zn. Okay.
Okay.
So
Zn.
select
Okay.
all the views, the green paper.
All the views.
Yeah. How do you select all the views? Right here.
Here.
That is called select all.
Okay.
Okay. Now click on org data, org levels, organization levels. Okay. Over here we will be using 3000. That is
Plant.
New York plant. Warehouse you already have 001. Storage location, not warehouse. And let's do one thing. Let me do the other one. The other one is 0088 is the storage. We already have these in the system. If you go to drop down, you can see them. Okay, 005. Okay. Then if you click here, save, it's going to show you what it is. You see that? 3000
Yes.
is a New York plant. 0088 is one storage location within the plant 3000, and you have a warehouse and you have a storage type, right? Now click on the green tick mark. Click on green tick mark. Okay, so your material is zinc, so you can say also Jeff demo So that's the description I gave, just to have more meaningful. Okay. So
yes.
The next thing would be your purchasing group. You see the purchasing group right here. Okay, that's mandatory. Okay, go to drop down and pick purchasing group, which is 003.
That is the actual buyer of the product.
This one.
Yes, ID is.
Double click. Yeah. So now the next thing would be hit enter. It's going to take you to the next screen, right? So keep on hitting enter till you reach the last. Okay, again, enter again. So MRP, in the MRP you can select the MRP group.
That's the material resource planning, right?
Material requirement plan. Go to drop down.
Requirement plan. Okay. Okay.
And select make to stock.
The make to stock product. This
0010. And select MRP type.
MRP type. Okay.
Go to drop down. Pick P as Peter, D as David.
P. This one right here.
Yeah, Peter David. And hit enter. If you hit enter again,
okay,
it is asking you who will be your MRP controller. Go to drop down and select MRP controller, anyone, Smith 002.
Okay.
Enter.
It's in there.
Okay, once you hit enter, it's asking for the lot size. When you do the material requirement planning, what will be your lot size? Go to drop down, pick fixed lot, FX.
This one right here.
FX, fixed order quantity.
Okay.
Enter.
Yes.
So you need to hit enter. This is called enter, green one. Enter. So once you hit enter, it will validate the data. Enter.
The lot size procedure requires a fixed lot size.
Oh, okay. It's a fixed lot. So if you take a fixed lot, what will be your lot size? 10. Okay.
Okay.
Enter. So then you have the planned delivery time. How much is going to be the planned delivery time? How many days? 1 day you take to do the delivery. 1.
Okay.
Okay. Enter. And schedule margin key. Go to drop down and pick one of those. Schedule margin keys are going to help you to identify what would be the flow times before the production, after the production, before release. So pick anyone. Enter.
And enter again?
Yeah, you have to. If you don't enter it, you won't go to the next screen. Okay.
Okay.
So once you are done with entering some information, you have to validate. Only the way you do it is you hit enter on your keyboard or this one. Okay, so the strategy group is make to stock 10. Yeah, make to stock. Go to drop down. You can see make to stock. This is 10. See that? That's make to stock. Enter. Enter. Okay. And availability check. Go to drop down. Select in individual requirements 0, 2.
and enter.
Okay, so yeah, the forecasting model should be something from the drop down. You can select anything, maybe constant model D
Constant model.
right here. Okay,
Okay.
and enter. Enter, 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 enter.
The mouse is okay.
Okay, enter. Okay, now valuation class, go to drop down and select a valuation class, raw materials 3000,
Okay.
3000, and the price is the price for 1 unit. You need to put a price, how much is going to cost you one, maybe type 5.
So $10.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, then again enter. Enter, 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 and save it.
Say yes.
So this is called a first step. Okay, you created one raw material. Okay,
Yes.
now take me back arrow, green arrow back right here. So you need to create a finished product.
Or finished product, not my finished product.
Yeah, so go back.
Finished product right here. MMF1.
Double click. Okay, again chemical industry. The name what we need to give is ZM sponge, zinc sponge. This is the finished material. Okay,
Okay.
then click on select views, select all the views, click on org level. Okay, sales organization is not Germany, that should be 3000, which will be United States.
Yeah.
Okay, and save it. That way you see everything is in US. You see that?
Yes.
And
USA
enter.
select. Enter now.
So give a name, the description, type the description something.
Say Jeff.
Jeff demo MDM finished product. It's not raw material.
Okay.
Base unit of measure kg, kilogram.
Say it will be kilogram.
Yes, If you scroll down, they are on alphabetical order. You can see kilogram. It's gone. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M. You are gone too far.
Okay, there it is.
Okay, material group, it's chemical. So 004 is chemical. And division, 00. And gross weight 1 kilogram, net weight 1 kilogram. Enter. You are in basic data 2. Enter again. Go to the classification, select the batches. Okay. Go to the next screen. This is next screen. Next screen right here.
Okay. There it is.
Okay. So you need to type 1 for the tax, 0 for no tax. Type all ones. Okay.
Okay.
That means everything is taxes. Okay. Again,
Okay.
enter. Okay. Enter. So you have two fields which are mandatory. This one and this one. You see that?
Yes,
So
transaction
you
group.
need to fill it up. Go to drop down and pick crane.
Crane, okay.
And here also go to drop down.
Transaction group.
Yes, on pallets.
On pallets. Okay.
001. Enter.
Enter again.
Yep. Enter. 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 Okay. So the MRP group is should be make to stock. Go to drop
Make
down.
this stuff.
Yeah, go to drop down and pick make to stock. Second.
Make to this one. Okay.
So last time also we used the same thing, right?
Okay.
Make to stock. So same thing. And MRP type PD. PD.
PV. Okay, there it is.
MRP controller. Smith.
Smith, right.
Lot size.
Lot size. 2D.
Fixed lot. Fixed lot.
Okay, fixed lot, right.
FX. Okay. And the minimum lot size 10.
10.
Enter.
The lot size will request a fixed lot size.
Oh yeah, that's we put the minimum and fixed lot also 10. Okay. Minimum is 10. Fixed lot also 10.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Procurement type.
X. That's correct. Oh,
Okay.
no, not X. That should be in-house. E.
Okay.
Okay. Then in-house production time, 1 day.
1 day. Right.
1. Schedule margin key, go to drop down and pick schedule margin key 0, 0, 0.
Okay.
Enter. Strategy group 10.
10 there.
Yeah, make to stock, you remember? We are using
Yeah.
make to stock. Enter. Okay, here selection method number 2.
By
Number
explosion date.
No, I said number 2.
Okay.
Individual, go to drop down. Collective requirements.
Okay.
Enter. Enter. Forecast model. Constant model.
Constant. Okay. Enter.
Yeah.
Base unit, we already have that.
Okay, task list. That should be 009.
Okay.
Enter. 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 Valuation class.
Valuation class. Okay.
Drop down. 7920.
Finished product.
Price.
Price.
$100.
Okay.
Enter. 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 Save it.
Okay, save it. Material
Okay,
zone.
so you created two materials. One is ZM, the other one is ZM spine. One is raw material, the other one is finished product. Okay. So the next step would be, I need to show how I'm going to use those two materials. Okay. So we'll go back to our document. Okay. So here what we did is we are actually doing the third step, data setup. Okay. So we are setting up the data. Okay, that's called data setup. Okay. In this, what we did, we set up first a raw material. And we gave a name to that guy. ZN,
Yeah.
and we created a finished product. We gave a name to that guy as
ZN sponge.
okay. Okay. Now the next thing would be how to make a product now, right? So in order to make a product, what is that we are going to use? Okay.
Yeah.
And how it is going to look like, that's what we are going to do. Follow? Okay. Look at this word. Alright, I'm not sure when I'll be back, but I'll have my phone up. Okay. Yep. See ya. So, what we need to do now is we need to make a bomb. We'll see what kind of symbols I can use here to draw a bomb. I don't have anything which I can use. Okay. So what will happen is to make one kilogram of sponge, I need 1 kilogram of zinc, right? So
Yes.
input is 1 kilogram, output is also 1 kilogram, but once we do the process, we call it as sponge, not anymore zinc. Okay. So that process is called bomb, creating a bomb in PP terminology. Okay. BOM. To be more precise, we are going to create material bomb. Okay, we are going to create a material bomb. Okay. Okay. So that is what we are trying to do now, right? So
Yes.
let's go back to the screen and let me give you the mouse control again.
Okay.
And we'll start creating the again master data, but this time it is TP. Okay. So go back arrow, and you can use a transaction also to create a bomb. The transaction is called CS01. Okay.
CS01.
Yeah. So you are going to create a bomb to the finished product, which is zinc sponge. That's going to be in the plant 3000, right? And that will be, you are creating it for production, correct? Go to drop down.
Okay, hold, sorry. Okay.
And select the production, the number 1.
Production, okay.
Okay. So if you hit enter,
Okay.
say you are making sponge, you need zinc. How much you need? 1 kilogram.
1 kilogram,
And
right.
what is the material type? I mean, what is the item category? Item category is stock item. Okay.
Stock item, yeah.
Okay. Okay. You have many, like you have stock item, document item, then class item, phantom material, and non-stock, and T, text item. Okay. So we select stock item. Okay.
Yes.
And if you hit enter, that's going to bring you the product, right?
Yes.
And now you can default the storage location, select the line item, click on go to, and item, then click on status long text.
Status long text. Okay.
And the production storage location, go to drop down and put production storage location,
which is 3000 0088.
0088, and go ahead and save it.
Save it. Creating bomb for material ZN sponge.
So just in case if you want to make changes, you will click on here, say change, and enter.
Okay.
For some reason you thought it's not 1 kilogram, it is 2 kilograms.
Okay.
And you save it. Or you thought that we not only zinc, you need some other material also, right? Then you add that material too, correct?
Okay. Okay.
So that would be the bomb. Okay.
That's the bomb. Okay.
So yeah. So what I would like to do now is I will stop the recording.